Welcome to ViralReelAI. In this short demonstration video, I'm going to show you how you can use ViralReelAI to create viral and visual content to build your own faceless Instagram and TikTok accounts, even Facebook profiles and pages, and start attracting thousands of followers, and also use our follower generator feature to not only just create content and publish and schedule them on your Instagram and TikTok account, but also generate followers using our AI powered feature. Now, to get started, we click on the create campaign and give the campaign a name. Let's say we want to create a video about weight loss. That's our faceless channel account. Now you can create content for any country in any language you can think of. You can connect your Instagram account or your faceless YouTube, whatever account just you want to correct. Now there are two ways to create: auto mode and manual. Auto mode essentially lets you create 10, 20, 30 videos all at once, all using AI without you having to worry about customization. But if you want more control over customizable, you need to use the manual mode. Let's start with the demonstration of the manual mode. We click on next. Now there are 4 kinds of content that you can create that are trending right now, and ViralReel keeps on adapting and changing these type of content every once in a while based on what's working and what's trending on Instagram and on TikTok. The first one is story and gaming video, then there's the coach video, the GIF videos, and the Instagram carousel posts that also work for TikTok. Let's demo each of them one by one. To get started, let's try and demo the gaming video. We click select and click on next. We select our niche, could be anything that we want, or we can use custom and type a little idea of what we want. Click next. It's gonna give us a couple of ideas. Now what we can do is we can select it to create one video, or have it create multiple videos. Let's pick 2 videos, 2 video ideas, and click next. Now what it's going to do is going to create the metadata, the title, the description, the captions, the hashtags, the tags that it's going to use when it's going to post this on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, as shorts, or TikTok. So this is the first video metadata, and then the second video metadata. Of course, you can modify and edit everything you want. Next, we go ahead and click next to generate our script for both the videos that we have created. Now all of this is done using our AI feature, which is a combination of multiple different AIs, and it helps you create not only the most unique, freshest script, but also the most accurate script, right? So here's the first script that has been created, and then we've got the second script right over here that you can of course review and modify as you like, and you can of course regenerate it. You can also add face narration, which is your talking head. You can upload your own picture and it will add your face with animation, lip sync, head movements, eye movements in that video. Let's click next to pick the gaming video that we want. Now we've got templates of tons of gaming video that you can use. If you mouse over each of them, you can view those. These are all gaming videos that we have. These are the videos that are trending very, very well on Instagram, where it's a gaming video that engages users to keep watching because it's visually engaging, but then there's script that goes on in the background, so user always listens to your content, and if you're pitching something, ends up buying or following you. You click on next. Now here what you can do is you can also upload your own video clip, where half of the screen would be the gaming video and the other half of the script would be this video that you have uploaded. Could be a video of yourself, video about something else, anything that you want. I'm going to turn this on for one video, and for the other one I'll leave it so I can show you both how they look. Let's click next. Now here you can schedule for Instagram. I haven't connected mine, but once it's connected, you can select which Instagram profile you want to do it for, and then you can select which date and time you want to post it. Same for Facebook and YouTube. For TikTok, you'll have to download the video and publish it yourself because TikTok does not allow auto publishing just yet for certain kinds of videos. We click next, where the thumbnail is generated for both the videos, and everything is all AI generated. Now right here you can use tons of these AI voices that you want, or you can use and clone your own voice. You can use your own 11 lab voices as well. Now let's click on next, and as you can see, our videos are generating, and in a couple of seconds we'll be able to customize them. And I'm going to show you how both the videos look like. The one with a full screen one, so this is probably the one with the full screen. Okay, this is the one with the different video size. So as you can see, there's a gaming video that we selected over here, and over here we have uploaded our own video. Now it's gonna be blank because I did not upload my own video, but that's how the video is gonna be. Now if I click on preview,
hey there, ever watch some people go from flab to fab?
So it's gonna have this video, and it's gonna have a blank video, whichever that you posted up there. Now if I go back to videos and click edit, this is the gaming video, but it's on full screen. And of course you can go here, fully customize everything. You can add different types of captions, you can change the background, you can add media, you can add text, you can change the voiceover, you can change the script of the voiceover, you can enable face narration, you can add talking head if you want, background music you can change, you can add animations, transitions to your slides, intro outro video, you can do that. You can decide how much voiceover background music you want. You can add a call to action where you put in your website name, and yeah, you can have it on top left if you want. As you can see right over here, it adds your call to action, and you can add a watermark or logo. And if you click on preview,
ever wondered if cheat days could actually help you lose weight?
For you. And once you're done, you click on render, and as soon as the video is rendered, it's gonna get scheduled for posting on whichever network you have decided. Now let's go ahead and create other different kinds of videos. Let's do a video about keto diet and click next. Let's try the coach video this time and click next. Again, keto diet. It's going to give you a couple of video ideas. Again, you can create multiple. I'm going to create one for a quick demonstration. The process is similar. You create metadata, you create scripts, you create pick your background, publishing, thumbnail, and then it's going to be done. So I'm going to just speed through this. And again, I usually don't customize things because the AI is so good at creating all this content. I don't really need to worry about it. So I'm going to click next. Now this is where you can pick what background video you want for your video. So this one I don't like it, so I'm going to search for keto diet, and I'm going to select this one and click next. Again, I can schedule if I want. A thumbnail is generated for me. I'm going to select a voiceover, click next, and the video is ready, and it will start generating for me. Now let's go and preview the video. Of course, you can customize the entire video whichever way you want, but that's how the video will look like. It will have
Welcome to the future of wellness. Are you ready to transform your life with keto tech and AI diet?
The coach
Imagine
will
this,
show up
a personalized diet
on the background like
Welcome
this.
to the future of wellness. Are you ready to transform your life with
quotation will
keto tech
show
and
up.
AI
Of course,
diet?
you can customize how the quotation look by changing its color, its background, font style, font type, whatever you want. You can change every single thing, customize it entirely whichever way you like it, make it stand out, make it look unique from hundreds and thousands of fonts that we have got. And yeah, once you're done editing and customizing it, simply click on render and the video will go into schedule, and it adds multiple different codes. Let's create another one about keto diet one more time. Click next, but this time let's create GIF video, and again video about keto diet, and click next. Now when GIF video, what happens is it finds trending GIFs, GIFs, animated GIFs, and it creates like a video by stitching multiple GIFs together, where you can add your more text, you can add your coach, you can add the title of the video, and of course you can customize the captions of how everything looks. and just create like this funny, engaging video that everybody likes to watch, because these GIFs are interesting and have good retention. Of course, you can schedule this video like every other video. Here's a thumbnail that's created for you. You can pick your voice that you want, and then the video will get started to be put together, and then you can start customizing it. Let's go ahead and edit this. And as you can see, these are the GIF videos that have GIFs that have been added. If we quickly preview it,
keto enthusiasts,
this is how
ready to revolutionize your kitchen
and of course
experience?
You can remove this text entirely
having
if you
a personal
want.
chef who knows exactly
you can
what
change
you
these
love.
GIFs if you
Whipping up
like.
delicious keto meals
You can
tailored just for
customize
you.
it completely
Well,
the way you want. And once you're done, you click on render, and the video will get rendered and scheduled for you. Now let's create the final version of work. So let's say we want to create about workout, and we pick the carousel post. And these are images posts, so these are not videos, but these posts are also very trending. Video about workout and exercise, images about. So yeah, these images are very powerful and trending on Instagram, because people love to read and scroll through these images, and they do tend to get you a lot of followers, a lot of sales through the link on your Instagram and TikTok bio. So as you can see, it's generating all these images and carousel data that you can look through. So as you can see, here's one. It's going to create. So the first one will be the title of the post, and then the other 4 or 5 will be talking about tips and tricks and more about the topic that you have created. And of course, you can edit the text if you want, whichever way you want. Customize these images as you want. You can click and edit on this image, and it will take you to the editor, and you can modify whatever you want. You can do it for all of them. These 2 are still generating, that's why they have not loaded yet, but you have full option to edit these. And once all of these are ready, you can go ahead and schedule them. Once you've customized and published whatever you want, you can regenerate them as well. So all 5 have been generated. So this is the title image, and then the other ones are about the content about the title. And once you're good with them, you click on next, and you can schedule them to go out and be published at whatever time you want. Now this is all about creating these 4 kinds of viral content. The next step you want to do is you also want to build followers. So it comes with 6 different ways to generate followers. The first one is AI driven social micro content. So what this does, it helps you create tons of viral videos. You can select the campaign you want, and then you can start the process. It lets you create tons of viral videos that are automatically published on different social media profiles that promote your Instagram faceless account and your TikTok faceless account, bringing people back to your profile from different social media sites. The second one is QA outreach, where it goes to Reddit and Quora, and it finds questions about your topic, about your niche, and then it answers those questions and tell people to go learn more about this on your faceless Instagram or faceless TikTok account. So it drives traffic and followers by building trust from Reddit and Quora. It does the same with Pinterest as well. It creates images and graphics in your niche, publishing and pinning them on Pinterest to drive followers by building trust to go to your faceless Instagram, TikTok accounts. It creates PDF as leads magnets that you can give away on different sites, on forums, on Facebook groups, promoting your faceless account inside the PDF. The automated video syndication lets you publish the same videos that you have created here, but on multiple different sites like YouTube, Vimeo, and all other different video sharing sites. So it helps you mass distribute your video so you can start getting traffic from all different kinds of video sharing sites back to your faceless account. And AI enhanced link building and guest posting finds blogs that allow guest posting, writes those blog posts, and publishes those blog posts on other people's blog, promoting your Faces account by building trust, by sharing good quality content, solving people's questions and problems. So all these 6 options help you generate more followers, more traffic to your account, in turn leading you to get more clicks and more leads and more sales from your Instagram account. On top of all of this, we have an AI coach where you can discuss and chat about strategies and what to do, what not to do. You can review all the content that is scheduled here. You can see all your niches, keywords, and ideas from the dashboard, all in the library. And of course, on the dashboard, we've got tons and tons of important data. You can see how much profit you can expect, what are the top niches found by the AI, what are the top videos on Instagram that you can see to get more ideas, daily ideas about the niches that you have selected. It has keywords and shows which keywords are doing well, and there's so much data for you to work with. So that's how ViralReelAI works. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team. We'll be happy to help you.